How to reactivate Instagram account after temporarily deactivated. So if you want to reactivate or activate your Instagram account, all you have to do now, after you open up your phone, all you have to do now, go and just open your Instagram. If you open your Instagram, as you can see now, already I have already logged in into this Instagram account. Now I will show you how to do that. So after you open the Instagram account, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side if you have already logged in. So if you have not logged in, all you have to do now, if you open the Instagram now, it will ask you like this. Now tap on this add account. So if there is any account on the Instagram, so tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this existing account, log into existing account. So tap on this. As you can see now, switch. So as you can see now, if you open the account, if you open the Instagram account now, just all you have to do now, go ahead and type in all your just login information. Type in your Instagram username or password, username and password. After you type in your username and password, you can just go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. You reactivated your Instagram account. That's it guys on how to reactivate Instagram account after deactivated. Just go and log in into your Instagram account. It will allow you to log in. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.